Episode title, A Mixed Bag for Trump, the Supreme Court's Latest Rulings. Intro music, midnight to 0:30. Host, welcome to Politics Unfiltered, the podcast where we break down the latest developments in the world of politics. I'm your host, Naim, and today we're discussing the recent Supreme Court rulings that have left President Donald Trump with plenty to celebrate. Despite some notable defeats, the justices' biggest decisions have ultimately strengthened the president's position. Let's dive in. Segment 1, Introduction to the Supreme Court Rulings, 0:30 to 5 o'clock. Host, the Supreme Court has been in the spotlight lately, with several high-profile cases making their way to the nation's highest court. While Trump has suffered some setbacks, the court's most significant decisions have handed him major victories. From immigration to executive power, the justices have weighed in on some of the president's most contentious policies. Segment 2, Notable Defeats for Trump, 5 to 10 o'clock. Host, before we get to the wins, let's talk about the losses. The court dealt Trump a significant blow when it ruled against his administration's attempt to add a citizenship question to the 2020 census. This decision was a major setback for the president, who had argued that the question was necessary for voting rights enforcement. Additionally, the court also declined to hear a challenge to a lower court ruling that blocked the administration's attempt to divert military funds for border wall construction. Segment 3, Trump's Big Wins, 10 to 1800 hours. Host, despite these defeats, the Supreme Court's biggest decisions have ultimately strengthened Trump's position. The court's ruling on the president's tax returns, for example, has given him a major victory. The justices ruled that the president's financial records can remain private, at least for now, dealing a blow to Democrats who had sought to obtain the documents. Furthermore, the court's decision to allow the administration's Remain in Mexico asylum policy to stay in place has been a significant win for Trump's immigration agenda. Conclusion, 18 to 2000 hours. Host, so, what do these rulings mean for Trump and his presidency? While the court's decisions have been a mixed bag, the president has emerged with some significant victories. As we head into the 2020 election, these rulings are sure to have a major impact on the campaign trail. We'll continue to follow these developments and bring you in-depth analysis on our podcast. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Politics Unfiltered. Join us next time for more on the world of politics. Outro music, 20 to 2030.